I'm tired of hearing just a little more time. Everything's going according to the scheme, but you know what really made a difference? Now it's time to try another way.
This video was created for educational purposes only and is not a financial recommendation. All financial actions are the personal responsibility of each individual. Make sure you understand and are prepared for the risks before you begin.
How long can you live by the home, work, frustration, memes before bed scenario? Aren't you tired? Because I'm tired of hearing just a little more time. Someone's on vacation for the third time this year, and you're on automatic eating yesterday's food and thinking maybe next month. Hi, my name is Simon. I too used to work a regular job and dreamed of at least starting to make a difference. But you know what really made a difference? A step-by-step system without guesswork or dogma that I built and tested myself. No magic, just practice. Today, I'm gonna show you where you can start if you're a beginner, without complicated theory or complicated words. You'll see how you can understand the market and start interacting with it, not by throwing everything away, but gradually at a pace that suits you. Okay, imagine you're in a game. You have two buttons: stay in your comfort zone or go on a new mission. And so the quest opens up. The trading community where you begin to understand the market step by step. Every day I take apart trades live, you watch my every move and try out trading ideas. No overload, no theories, real scenarios like in a game, but for real. If you're ready to play, follow the link in the attached comment. A new level is waiting, let's start trading. When you understand how the market works, you feel calm. Now I'll show you exactly how I make decisions so that you can see the logic of my actions step by step. For the demonstration, I use simple settings: chart for 30 seconds, time 1 minute. This helps you see how the market behaves in the moment. I use the super trend indicator as a helper. If the line is green, the market is probably growing. If the line is red, the market may start to decline. The price has declined slightly and approached a level where reversals have occurred before. This is like a recurrent scenario. Buyers often become active in these areas. As the market started to slow down in this area, I saw the green line reappear. This is a sign that demand is returning. I clicked up. The expectation was simple: price would likely push off this level and go higher. A good start, the logic works. The market has gone even lower and has reached an area where it has often risen in the past. This area is called a support level, where market participants usually start buying. In parallel, the indicator changed color from red to green. This is a confirmation that the situation may change. I opened the direction up, expecting that the price will push back and the growth will start. A clear signal, we act calmly. After the previous bounce, the price approached the familiar level again, but now it didn't fail but slowed down and started to rise. This often means that buyers are becoming more active. The green line continued to hold. For me, it's a sign that the growth may continue. I pressed buy again, expecting the upward movement to be confirmed. Everything's going according to the scheme, analysis, and confirmation. The chart started to stagnate. The price was fluctuating around 1 mark. This usually indicates that sellers and buyers are still undecided. When the price approached the lower boundary of this range again, the indicator showed green color. I could see that the participants were ready to raise the price. The decision is to open on the upside, waiting for an upside exit from this zone of silence. What do you think of my system? You turned on this video, so there's interest, and that's an important point. I believe that learning is not a flow of information, but a collaborative process. That's why I created a community where everything is organized as a dialogue. I explain, participants ask questions, and together we understand how the market works. We do not overload with theories. Everything is step by step. You see real situations on the chart, understand the logic of decisions, and over time you begin to analyze it yourself. You don't need to prepare in advance or study terms. Start with what you have. Observe, engage, ask. Everything happens at your own pace. If you want to try it, follow the link in the pinned comment. It's all open, you can get involved at any time. Shall we haggle? A sharp change of movement appeared on the chart. The price went down. The indicator confirmed. Perhaps the sellers became more active. I went down. We watch the situation and work on the signal. After the decline, the price came back to a familiar level where the market often turns around. The indicator again showed that there is a change for growth. I bought. We move step by step, nothing too much. The trend has changed. The indicator suggested that the price might go down. I opened it down. The key is to proceed calmly and according to plan. The price began to move within a narrow range. It reached the upper boundary. The indicator signaled a decline. I went down. Keeping the pace, everything's going as it should. During another correction, the price came back to an important level. The indicator confirmed a possible decline. I entered the market on the downside. It's almost the finale. Let's see how this one ends. Price has returned to the lower level where there was a bounce before. The indicator showed again that could be a rise. I bought, expecting a repeat of the scenario. This is how strategy works. Observation, simple signals, and consistent steps. It's not a guessing game, it's a process. Remember, it's important to stay calm and always consider the risks. Now you're not facing the end of the video, but the moment when you decide what to do next. Stay at the same pace or engage in a process where knowledge becomes skill. I invite you to join my trading community. Here we don't chase results. We take the market apart step by step, explain how the logic of decision-making works, and help each other understand. There are live broadcasts, clear examples, and chat support. If you want to try it yourself, follow the link in the pinned comment and get in. Everything is calm and without rush. Start with interest and it will get easier from there.